Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your channel settings because the description lives there and controls discoverability. Once signed in, click your profile, then settings or the gear icon on your channel. Make sure you've selected the correct channel if you manage more than one. This prevents overriding the wrong profile. You should also have your new summary and any links or keywords ready to paste so you can edit in one session without losing context. Now you'll edit the description field directly. This is the how and why, how you change the words, and why every choice matters for search and clarity. Click Edit or the About tab and place your cursor in the description box. Replace or refine the text using keywords naturally, short sentences, and one clear call to action so viewers know what to do next. Make sure to include line breaks and 1 or 2 links. This improves scannability and click-through rates. Finish by saving and verifying because edits don't help if they aren't visible. Click Save or Publish, then refresh the page. Once done, view your channel on mobile and desktop to confirm formatting, links, and keywords display correctly. If something looks off, make small edits and save again to force an update. If changes still don't appear, clear your browser cache or log out and back in. As a troubleshooting tip, try a different browser to rule out local caching issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.